Dealing with mental health issues in 2021. Dealing with mental health issues in 2021 has been a challenge, mostly due to the COVID-19 pandemic restrictions on people's lifestyles. Mental health is a state of well-being in which people are able to cope with the normal stresses they face in daily life. It allows people to recognize their own abilities, work productively, and make meaningful contributions to their communities. Mental health issues and the COVID-19 pandemic. Mental health is about more than a state of mind. It's also an ability to cope with the normal stresses of the day. However, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, people are experiencing mental health deficiencies. Because they're not used to the restrictions, you have lockdowns, social distancing, wearing of masks, etc. Mental health in relationships. Depression is an example of an emotional problem in a person's life. It may make it difficult for the person to think clearly and function normally. It can often feel like the person is in a dark place and can make it difficult to view the world in a positive light. Depression can make it difficult to make plans and carry them out. Do I need the therapy mental health test? The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders is the unquestioned standard in many countries for diagnosing mental health conditions and determining medical treatment. The DSM is organized by the frequency of disorders within the addictions field. For example, anxiety disorder is less common than bipolar disorder, which is less common than schizophrenia. Psychotherapy sessions. Start sessions with a psychologist to help with preserving your mental health. Mental health teams from National Depressive and Manic Depressive Association are available to provide 24/7 support and counseling at your geographic location to help you make sense of your life. And mental health problem. Mental well-being. The main goal is for everyone to have mental well-being and avoid the mental issues which affect not just mental state but also bodily functions, emotions, and social relationships. Contrary to mental disorder, the experience of mental well-being is generally assumed to be a normal condition that can vary in intensity. In conclusion, there are so many resources online for mental health and wellness. Make sure you have the tools in place to provide your loved ones with the support they need. With a broad array of resources to deal with mental health problems, it's a good idea to know the differences between the most common mental health problems and how they affect the body and the mind as well as the person.